Good morning, students. Today we will read the poem Maps, written by Dorothy Brown Thompson. So before moving ahead, let's understand about the author. Dorothy Brown Thompson was an American writer. She has written many poems, and more than 2,000 poems written by her were published in various newspapers and magazines. Around 200 poems written by her were also used in textbooks for teaching. Now, the poem that we are going to read today, in this poem, poetess pays a tribute to maps that hold a key to unseen, unknown world of adventure waiting to be explored. The author has shown how something that looks simple like a map can be powerful and exciting. Maps poem is a source of joy for those who wish to wander the world but can't go. So now let's see the animation of the poem.
Maps by Dorothy Brown Thompson. High adventure and bright dream. Maps are mightier than they seem. Ships that follow leaning stars, red and gold of strange bazaars. Ice flows hid beyond all knowing. Planes that ride where winds are blowing. Train maps, maps of wind and weather. Road maps taken all together. Maps are really magic wands for home-staying vagabonds.
Maps by Dorothy Brown Thompson. High adventure and bright dream. Maps are mightier than they seem. Here, mightier means stronger. So through these lines, the poetess wants to tell us that maps excite us to seek adventure through travel, or at least dream of visiting different or unusual places, even if we are unable to visit them. So, maps are not only diagrams on paper describing the physical features of countries, but they are more powerful than what they appear to be. Ships that follow leaning stars, red and gold of strange bazaars. Earlier, sailors used to rely upon stars to understand the directions, but nowadays they rely upon maps to guide their ships to distant lands. Maps lead them to strange places that sell exotic wares. Exotic means different or unusual. Wares means objects or things. Ice flows hid beyond all knowing. Planes that ride where winds are blowing. Here ice flows means floating ice. So, maps help us to locate the icebergs in the polar regions and direct us away from them. Maps, like weather maps, help pilots to know about the weather conditions, including wind speed and direction, visibility, weather, etc., so that pilots can take appropriate decisions to avoid any unwanted situation. Train maps, maps of wind and weather, road maps taken all together. Train maps, maps of wind and weather. It means that we have different kinds of maps available with us. Maps for train travel routes, road maps to drive from place to place, and maps which tell us about the weather. All these maps together help us in understanding different things in different situations. Maps are really magic wands for homestaying vagabonds. Here, vagabonds means people who are always wandering from one place to another. So, a person who stays at home can be a vagabond, as he or she can travel to different places by simply reading about and imagining these places. So, in their imagination, they can be easily transported to distant lands without even visiting them. So, here these maps work like magic wands. They are like magic sticks which help people to imagine about different places which they have not even visited. I hope that the poem is quite clear to you now. Read it once again to understand it in a better way. Thank you.